Looking to troubleshoot car issues on your own? How does the Autel MaxiLink ML519 Auto OBDII scanner make it easier to understand and fix engine codes? Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for car owners and DIY mechanics, the Autel MaxiLink ML519 Auto OBDII scanner. If you're tired of paying for costly diagnostics, this compact tool is about to change the game for you. Let's talk about OBDII. Onboard Diagnostics is an automotive electronic system which is capable of a self-diagnosis, indicating and reporting the possible problem within the vehicle. It gives you or the technician the opportunity to easily access the information about the health of your car and solve the problem. Let's break down some of its main features. Wide compatibility. Works with most OBDII EOBD-compliant vehicles post-1996 for cars in the US, post-2006 for EU-based, and post-2009 for Asia-based cars. Check engine light. Reads and clears diagnostic trouble codes that trigger the check engine light. I/M readiness check. This feature lets you know if your car is ready for emissions testing, making it easier to identify issues that may affect your vehicle's emissions levels. Live data streaming shows real-time sensor data, such as RPM, speed, engine temperature, and more. User-friendly interface. The interface is designed for ease of use, making diagnostics straightforward. Print and updates. The print data function allows printing DTC data recorded by the tool by connecting the tool to a Windows-based PC with the supplied USB cable. Why you need the OBDII code reader. Through OBDII, you can quickly scan and clear engine fault codes, fix the problem with your car, and turn off check engine light with ease. Check your car health condition frequently with the scanner to avoid breakdown in sudden on-road. Enjoy your journey. I/M readiness monitoring emission control systems perform regular checks during vehicle operation. Get ready for the annual smog check. Quickly get the fault codes definition. No Google search. About the code reader. Let's see where its data link connector is located. The data link connector is a 16-cavity port for connecting diagnostic tools to the vehicle's computer. Typically found within 12 inches of the dashboard center on the driver's side, some models may have it behind the ashtray or labeled elsewhere. How to use the code reader. Ensure the vehicle is turned off before starting. Locate the OBDII port. This is typically found under the dashboard near the driver's seat, often below the steering wheel or near the footwell. The port is usually a 16-pin connector. Plug the code reader's cable into the OBDII port. The scanner will power up once connected. Turn the key to the on position. Follow the prompts on the scanner screen, which may involve pressing buttons like Enter or OK. Once you press Enter, scanner will start scanning for trouble codes. Once you've found the codes, press OK to proceed, then press OK again to select Read Codes, and press OK to view stored codes. The scanner will display any stored diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, that indicate issues with the vehicle. Each code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. After you've noted the codes, you can use the Clear Codes function on most code readers to reset the vehicle's engine control unit and turn off the check engine light. After finishing, turn off the vehicle, unplug the code reader from the OBDII port, and turn off the reader. If you are interested in picking up the Autel MaxiScan MS309 OBDII OBD car diagnostic tool, I've got you covered. Just check out the link in the description below to grab it on Amazon. Viewing freeze frame data. To view freeze frame data, use the up and down scroll button to select View Freeze Frame from Diagnostic menu and press the OK button. What is IM readiness? Press the one-click IM readiness key to retrieve IM readiness status. The LED's colors and the audio tones indicate readiness status. Print and updates. For data printing, follow this method. Follow the update procedure to finish updating. View vehicle information.
A unique set of 17 numbers and letters. Your VIN holds all kinds of information about your car.
System setup. Language setup. Unit of measurement. Contrast adjustment. Specifications.
Onboard Diagnostic Trouble Codes. This list contains standard Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs, that are used by some manufacturers to identify vehicle problems. Diagnostic Trouble Codes are how OBDII identifies and communicates to technicians where and what onboard problems exist. The first number in the DTC indicates whether the code is an SAE generic code, applies to all OBDII systems, or is specific to the vehicle manufacturer. The remaining three numbers provide information regarding the specific vehicle system and circuit.
Now we cover some of the Diagnostic Trouble Codes.
This tool makes it easy to get insights into your car's performance, diagnose issues quickly, and even save on repair costs. The codes provide this list are generic codes that may not apply to all vehicles. Vehicle manufacturers may use manufacturer-specific DTC codes that are different from the shown codes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos on car diagnostics and maintenance. Thanks for watching.